dryness washing affected your game?
Yeah, it's true. The red card did affected our game, so did the penalty. So it was a difficult match, and I think we did very well, especially in the second half. We did so well. And even after the goal, we kept on pushing and pushing. We were able to even hit the crossbar, but the post. We couldn't just score. The boys did their best, and I think that we can make corrections and win our subsequent matches.
Coach,
it's a penalty. You don't know. You can't tell a player how to tackle. You can't tell a player how to do certain things on the field. These things comes natural. But we as a club, we have taken it in good faith. We only go and work on it and make sure that we do much better next time. For the penalty, I think that it was 50-50, but the referee decided to take it, which I think disagree or agree with him. But in my opinion, it was a mild touch, but he decided to take it.
How do you see the performance of your opponent, Medeama Sporting Club? The performance of your opponents?
They did well, but I think we played better.
You played better?
Yes.
But you won?
Yeah, so they did well, but I think we played better.
Coach, you are someone who doesn't like to talk about officiating, but do you feel hard done by certain decisions?
No, you see, referees, let's move on. Let's concentrate on the game. I don't want to talk about referees.
Martin.